Good morning from Harvest Hills Ranch. I'm Dr. Arland Hill with Leah Hill, and we thought it would be fun this morning to get you started with one of our 30 energizing breakfast recipes and show you one of the ways that we kick off our day. So, Leah, what are we going to be preparing today?
We're going to be doing egg stuffed pesto tomatoes this morning. Yes, I know. He's going to be eating good this morning. So we had some tomatoes and some of our pasture-raised eggs. So I'm so excited to be able to share what they look like with y'all, nice and beautiful and yellow. So let's get started. So this recipe is on page 26 of the cookbook, and the pesto recipe is on page 29. So I've already made the pesto, but it is very, very easy to do. Takes nearly no time at all. So I've already kind of started this recipe, so I'm going to show you. So step one is you're going to cut with a paring knife your tomato in a circle, and you're going to core it out. So we're just going to remove the seeds, and then you have the liquid inside. You're just going to scrape the cup really good. So it's a nice little hollow shell. So you still have the goodness of the skin and the meat inside without all the mush. Next thing we're gonna do is take our pesto and we're gonna stick it in there. You just wanna make sure you leave enough room for the egg. So that's about a little over half of the tomato cavity. I'm gonna take one of our eggs, crack, stick it on in there. How cool is that, right? So we're gonna stick this with the other ones I had. So the recipe does call for the extra virgin olive oil. So just put a light little coating at the bottom. And what I like to do is just kind of mix them around like little cue balls in here. Make sure the bottoms get a little olive oil on the bottom of the tomato. And then I just put a little bit around the edge and inside the tomato itself. So that's it. Super easy. So I'm gonna wipe off the excess on here. You're just gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. I like using fresh ground, but you can use whatever you want. All right, so make sure you've preheated your oven to 400 degrees, stick it in there for 20 minutes, check it at about maybe 13, 14, just to make sure everybody's ovens cook differently. So just make sure you adjust for the time.
All right, so here we are 20 minutes later, and look at what we've got. This is an energizing breakfast, second to none.
I can't wait to dig in.
Yeah, I'm excited about this. So let's just share what we've got here. So we've got the pesto eggs and the tomato. Literally, guys, all we did, remember here, scoot the inside of the tomato out, put the pesto under it, put the egg, break the egg in that, and then drizzle a little olive oil and bake it. That's it. That's all it was. And you've got started out here for a way to start your day out here. You've got an incredible protein source with the egg, right? So you can get those neurotransmitters, get the brain fired up, get some good mental energy out of that. And there's nothing in this that's going to imbalance your blood sugar in any way. So it keeps you nice and steady, keeps your energy consistent throughout the day. So this is just one of 30 energizing recipes that you can start your day out with. And again, look how simple these were to create and to make. And for most of us, honestly, there's probably going to be enough in here for leftovers. So you're going to make, you're going to make enough for more than one meal here. So you can easily have leftovers on this. So you can find this recipe and others just like this. There's 29 other recipes besides this just waiting for you to dive into them. And you can find those in our 30 Energizing Breakfast Recipes ebook. Take a look at that. It's free to you. Take advantage of it and enjoy starting your day off on the right foot and have more energy from morning to evening. Take care, guys. Dr. Arland Hill and Leah Hill.